everyone, my name is Sarah. I am a brand ambassador with Red Aspen. I've been with Red Aspen for about 9 months now and I am loving it. I thought I'd make this video to give you a reason of why I joined, as well as a little bit of history behind Red Aspen and how it came about, where we are now, and where we're headed in the future, because I think the growth is the most kind of special part and exciting part in this journey. A lot of people have stigmas about direct sales and all of that, but let me tell you, it is not what a lot of people think it is. It's a lot more personable, it's a lot more behind the scenes. There's a lot that goes on in it, but I wanted to just give you a glimpse into kind of my why and why I started this. So, this brand, Red Aspen, has been around for about 2 years now. We're going on the third year this year, but they've been around for 2 years so far. They started out with just luxe lashes, and we've now dived into nails, little DIY manis, petties, as well as cosmetics. So it's very fun, and it's definitely products that women love and love to use, which is awesome. But it's cool to see them, how they've evolved over time to create other products that we can sell to our networks, our family, friends, whoever that we are talking to. Sometimes in like the grocery store, we'll get people to be like, oh my gosh, your mani's so cute, and you're like, thanks, I know, I did it myself, and then you get the conversation flowing. So with that being said, I joined Red Aspen back in October, and at the time I was with another direct sales company, and it just felt like the right time to move. I wasn't seeing the growth in my business personally. I wasn't seeing my team grow, and I felt like I wanted to be a leader and to share this opportunity with other people because it changed my life. I joined the previous direct sales company right before I had my daughter. She was born in March and I joined in January. I stayed there until December, and that's when I made the complete shift over to Red Aspen, and it was probably the best decision I ever made. When I first joined network marketing and all of that, I was in school for marketing, so I definitely have the background and knowledge behind, social media, the power of social media, and I wanted to be able to use that while I was on maternity leave as much as I could be on maternity leave. So I wanted to stay home with her as long as possible. Once it hit that year mark of last month is when I decided to try and go back to work because I wanted to get my mind kind of going more. I loved building my team, and I needed a lot more adult interaction other than just people through screens. I wanted somebody that I could see in person, talk to in person, and get that interaction that way. So I did marketing business to business. But recently, with all the layoffs with the CV, I was one of those people that got laid off. So I went back to my business full time, and I am very happy and pleased where I am again because I am doing so many challenges with my team and we are growing so much. So as you can see, my startup of my kind of journey was to be a stay-at-home mom working on social media, and it's still that now because like literally a month ago I just got laid off and I got put back into it, and that is totally fine by me, and it's awesome to be able to kind of have this as a backbone regardless if I want it as a full-time job or a side hustle. It could be either. So if you ever have that in your head, like, oh, do I want a side hustle? Do I want full-time? Do I just want something for friends? Do I want a community? That's seriously one of the reasons why I joined the other direct sales company at the time, was because I wanted the community, the friends, the friendship, and just the overall sisterhood kind of. It's like a little girl gang that you get to talk to and share your life with. So what I really enjoyed about Red Aspen was that they were very small. There's only under 3,000 brand ambassadors in total. When you compare that to like Avon, Arbonne, anything like that that has a lot of distributors, it's very, very small in comparison. So Red Aspen is very new, they're up and coming, they have a lot of room for growth. I think just in a lot of our states, most of our states have less than 50 brand ambassadors in the whole state. So there's a lot of growth, which is super exciting because you get to share this fun and these fun products with all of your friends and family, and most of them have never heard of it. Like, have you heard of Red Aspen? Like, look how cute my mani is. It's like chrome and light pink. They're so much fun. And yeah, so that is the reason why I joined Red Aspen and why I've continued my journey in direct sales. Red Aspen is full of empowering women, and we want to stand out, stand up, stand together, uniting passion with purpose. That is like our mission. So it's always aligned with me, and I felt really at home ever since the first day I joined this opportunity. A lot of people think we do have like other cosmetics like blush, like cream blushes, or balm, mascara, liquid lips. We have very simple and easy products that don't overwhelm the consumer. So it's very easy for anybody and everybody to use, which I love because I'm not having to spend forever one-on-one with people trying to teach them how to apply a certain foundation or anything like that. So yeah, I just wanted to share this opportunity with you guys and to explain why I joined Red Aspen so that you can kind of get a little bit of a personal feel of who I am and my hopes and dreams in this. So yeah, that is all. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.